Hi, welcome to the channel. This video is a little bit different from my normal content again. This is the first car show that I've attended this year, which it's going to be nice to get out and about in the sun. Taking Luca and the baby, just because Sophie's at work today. We're going to meet my brother-in-law Kieran and Sophie's two brothers. The event is at Caffeine and Machine, just past Stratford. So it's about a kind of a 40-minute drive from here, and it's like a Japanese based event. They've said everyone's welcome, but they're focusing on like Japanese cars, so that should be fun. My favorite type of cars. So let's go, let's have some fun.
Kiwi. You look like a chopper rider.
That was really fun. GI Yaris is definitely my favourite car of the day. There's something about them. I don't know what it is, but I love them. If you're new to this channel and you like this sort of stuff, I'm going to be hitting loads more car shows this year. So make sure you subscribe, like the video if you like it, dislike if you don't, and drop a comment underneath, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.